with this problem, they want us to first find the domain and range of f. So if we remember, domain is what x can be. Well, x can't be anything over here because there's no value, there's nothing on the graph over here. So you cannot plug this in for x. You can't plug this in for x. The first thing we can plug in is right here, which is at -2. So I can plug something in here. And then I want to keep looking and see if there's anything I can't plug in. Well, the first I can plug anything in from here to here because the function exists from here to here. Now the question is, right here, it doesn't exist here, but it does exist here, which means I can keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. I can plug in something here, and then I can plug in something next to it, and it looks like there's going to be x values all the way up to here. Now, if I go past there, there's no function there, which means I cannot plug in an x that is past this. So what can my x values be? Well, my domain is going to go from -2 to 2, and including, mainly because right here it is included. Now, if this was an open circle, it would be a parenthesis right here. Another way I could write it, if I wanted to, is the set of all x's such that -2 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to 2. So now I got to find my range, and my range is going to be looking at all my y values. So there is a y value here. There is no y value here. There's nothing that will give me a y value of this. There's no x I can plug in to get a y value here. And I can get a y value here by plugging this x in. I can get a y value here by plugging this x in. And you can get a y value all the way up to, it looks like, right here. So my y values go from here to here. So my range is going to be from -2 to 2. And those are including, mainly because of right here, it does exist, and right here it does exist. Another way I could write it is the set of all y values such that -2 less than or equal to y less than or equal to 2. And the reason I can say y is because they label it x and y here. So that's A. Now for B. B says, find the intervals on which f is increasing and when f is decreasing. So if I look here, it starts off decreasing from here to here, and then it's increasing from here to here. And when we talk about increasing or decreasing, we talk about at what x values does it increase or decrease. So if I want to do increasing first, it's going to be increasing from here to here. And so if you look, increasing means as I go left to right on my x values, what is my y values doing? Well, my y values are getting bigger and bigger and bigger, therefore it's increasing from here to here. And it starts here at -1 and it ends here at +1. So increasing is going to be from -1 to +1. Now the reason I put parentheses here is because right here at this point, I don't know if it's increasing or decreasing because there's pretty much a break. Now for decreasing, well, decreasing, it is going to be decreasing here or it's decreasing here, so I need to actually mention both. Well, my x values in which it's decreasing is from -2 to -1, so I'm going to write -2 to -1, and then with the union of this piece right here, so from 1 to 2.